close. Like
Go back
right
in there.
next to him, 10 feet away right now. I couldn't believe that. Yeah, they go back. We're
Go,
more than a
go,
mile away.
closer,
Yeah.
closer,
They go back. It's really cool.
closer, B. Stick. Daddy.
Blow the candles out. Philip, hold on. You didn't bring it too close. Sure didn't have one. He's got to get closer.
Come here.
Go over there.
Now blow it.
Blow hard.
Closer, closer. Hard. Go.
Blow. We're all waiting to eat cake. Go. Blow.
Blow hard.
Blow on it. Blow him out. Oh, now you made it too much. You made such a big deal out of it.
Go.
You ain't buying into it anymore, right?
Get mommy help you. Go. 1, 2, ready? Let's go blow. Go blow.
Almost.
Go blow.
Blow it out.
Blow. Go blow.
Next year will be this way.
Last year was Michelle blowing. He stays forever.
Blow.
Blow.
Put me into it.
There
you
good
go.
boy.
That's a good blow.
Get closer.
Blow again.
Get closer.
Say closer there.
Closer.
Closer, B. He's pushing back. Go. He's sweating now, dear.
Go.
Go.
Go, hurry up.
Do it again.
You have to get closer than that. The cake's gonna burn out by the time you blow it out. He'd rather play with this. Yeah, I'm too excited about the train. He's doing a good job putting it together, though, you know. Yeah, he loves those trains. He gets some of them together, and some of them he can't get together, right?
You're working out, so he did the other one that I had.